Hi guys, welcome back to the Sweet Farm.
Love and blessing for the Sweet Farm, you know. Out there, you know, love the Sweet Farm.
Shout out to the Sweet Farm.
Right for the Sweet family, you know what I mean? Original, you understand?
To the face and hear the voice, you don't know Lisa Ipa. I represent the Sweet Farm. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right now.
Aye.
Yes, my G. Good
I like
morning,
your
sir.
stall,
I
look
your
nice
stall,
and clean
nice
and
clean
thing.
and stuff.
Yes, man.
Alright.
Yes,
What
man.
are you? What are you? Alright, rough respect, big up, see? Blessings, straight.
Yes, so we just want to big up Steve. We're gonna bless up Steve and try, get something from him and thing, because him place clean and nice.
Yes, see.
Yes,
Steve, you can
guys.
start me off with that jelly, my boss.
Buy one pineapple too,
Yeah, you want fine.
Yeah, man.
Fine, they look nice and sweet. And
Yeah,
get one.
man. I can fix up him thing.
Yeah, with banana trash and things.
Yeah, man.
Really nice.
But there's a lovely scene around here as
Yeah,
well.
the water come on.
Yeah, man, off of the rock.
I get him out of the jelly.
Yeah, man.
Steve, I can get you chop the oh, you chop it off already. Yes, my boss.
Yeah, man, him can chop a next one.
Yeah, drink one?
Yeah, man.
Alright, you can have the first one then, baby.
Thank you very much. Yes, please. Yes. First, jelly. They say coconut. Wash off your heart.
Mad thing.
Yeah, man. First jelly, Thank you very much.
Yeah, and catch him under this one now.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Alright, you can just rest my one this one, brother. Yeah, man. Come on, get some of the water where it's up here.
Yeah, man, him creative.
You can do one pint to it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, bless.
That one look nice and sweet, but I don't know. You think, baby, I don't really know.
I don't know. Let's
Fine,
give it a
like
sweet
that,
one,
you know.
man. You might go fix with it, man.
Okay. Alright, that one, yeah. Straight my eye. Yes, guys, drink some coconut to wash off my heart. Heart really wanted that wash after it broken.
Yeah.
After I lose my mom last year. But life goes on. Mommy, I come check you tomorrow. Big up yourself, my mother. I live right here. Wash off my heart right now. Yeah.
Let's get some of the water around it. Yeah, so this fresh running water from the mountain. You look like we use this bamboo and build the water. Build it like a piping system from down from up there. So water, fresh mountain water literally coming down. Wow.
Sweet fam, you know, love and blessing for the sweet fam, you know. Out there, you know, love the sweet fam. Yeah, man.
Got that beautiful scenery over there, guys. Terribly beautiful. I think that's the hills of St. Mary. And then nestling down there is a river down there, you know. Beautiful river is down there. I don't know if this thing doing it justice.
Whatever. Yes, guys.
Yes, guys, so in Portland, drinking some ice cold jelly.
Yes, sweet squad.
Yeah, man, so that's the scenery behind us.
Beautiful scenery.
Yeah.
You know,
Mountains.
Yes, guys. Just stop at this nice stall here. Getting some nice island fruit, sweet, natural, organic fruits. Yes, guys.
So, there's some pine, banana, plantain,
Jackfruit,
jackfruit, and stuff like
sugar
that.
cane. Yeah, man. Nice and clean spot, you know.
That jelly good.
It's very good.
Proper
Sweet
thing.
as well. Let's take them and look, guys. So beautiful.
I just want to see some of the scenery
Yeah.
over there. Alright, yes, man. See. Both ways of car coming in.
Let me tell you, these corners are
Yeah.
dangerous. Look at that. Look at the water down there. Look at the greenery, the mountains. Yo, Jamaica is beautiful, guys.
Terribly beautiful. All them palm trees down there.
Yeah. Wow. Look at
Wow.
everything. The mountains, the water is just there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Extremely beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Nice. You are beautiful as well.
Oh,
Thank you
Lord.
so much.
Thank you, baby. You're looking sweet yourself and handsome little fella.
Like a sugar plum.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Like, share, and if you're watching this video and like our content, please subscribe to our channel.
And if you like a video, guys, just
Like the
like the
video.
so we can be motivated to keep doing more
Yes, guys.
stuff like this. Explore the place. Yeah.
Man, right on the junction, yeah?
Yeah.
On the junction, look away from the chicken shop.
Yeah.
White Spring Creek, yeah.
Right in that junction.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Everything natural, organic. Everything fresh, water fresh, everything clean and fresh on here.
Yeah.
Bless you, man.